sounds good. All right, what's going on, guys? Woodward week, Woodward Dream Cruise week, and today is Wednesday. Mopars at the Donut Cutter, something that's been going on for quite a while. Boy, at least, man, maybe 20 years, at least 15 years. I know I've been coming here for 15 years. And so we come out here on Woodward to the Donut Cutter here. I do talk to the owners and let them know that we are coming. And we have some wicked cars that come in. We have some guys from Pennsylvania, Canada. We got guys from all over that come in to hang out. And Woodward is a good time for us to get together. We see each other on social media, but it's good to get together in person and enjoy the cars. Beautiful day. Frank's special order A4 silver car right here. This Charger's back on the road, ready to pound the streets here. Yeah, this is good. 71 CUDA RT. Just killer rides out here today. Let's take a little bit of a walk around here. A lot of familiar faces. I don't recall this black Duster. It's awesome though. This guy here, I think he's running, you still running E85 on here?
Yeah, kind of, yes.
Yeah, kind of, okay.
I put some airplane fuel, next end, don't like it.
Okay, all right.
Regular gas.
All right, so this dude's always tweaking on his car and stuff, trying to make it go faster, but it's a badass car. We got Gino's GTX here. Oh man, look at this. Must be Scott's car. Oh yeah, yeah. Very, very cool. And then we start lining them up out here, and I'm sure the police always have a discussion with me every year because we're blocking the fire lane, but we'll see. We got Bill showing up here, rolling in. This Suburban's really badass. We did post a reel about this one a little while back. Really, really nice car.
How to do that?
Look at this. Beautiful. I'm not even sure what this color is, like a rose gold or something. Beautiful Chrysler. And what do we got? 64 Chrysler. So this lot's getting really, really packed up for sure here. Nice Belvedere. 4-speed car. Very, very nice. There we go. Oh, look at this. This thing's got some fat ass tires on there. I recognize these guys. Oh, shit. This thing is wicked. Wow. James Pranis from Pennsylvania. So what is it? Tim car? Jason car. I recognize you, but sorry about that.
Mike's got his own GoPro out here.
There you go, for my YouTube channel. Awesome. This thing is wicked. Pro charged. Actually, he was pro charged. I don't know. Kind of changed this thing around a little bit here. He used to have it in here. Huh. Badass cars rolling in. This might be Mike Medarsky's car here. Tim's car. It's got a low deck 500 in there. This thing's wicked. Low 10s car. We got the Killer B. This one's driven a lot. Actually working on some fuel system issues on that. Let's take a walk over this way. All right, these guys are from the west side here. They do a lot of racing and things. So you can tell they have drag radials on the back here. Really, really badass cars. We got my friend's wife drives this one actually. Jen drives this one. Super awesome Hemi. So Nevin, you've had this car for a long time, right?
Yeah, so this car has been in the family since 1972.
No kidding, 72.
My parents actually went on a date in this car when they first started dating.
Wow. No kidding. That's crazy. So when did it kind of when did you have the need for speed and you wanted to convert it to all of this?
Well, the car was always kind of that way. My dad bought it to be a hot rod. It was a big block 4-speed car, and he always ran like max wedge style.
Okay.
Big blocks in it with a 4-speed. And about 20 years ago, I built this Hemi.
Wow.
The first version of this Hemi, and I was going to put it in this Belvedere here.
Okay.
And this car's the original paint car. And,
wow.
My dad didn't want me to cut on this car and put a roll cage and stuff in it.
Wow.
This car had been sitting in the corner of the garage for my whole time growing up. You know, I think the last time I heard this car run was like I was probably 5 years old or 6 years old. You know, he's like, well, why don't you drag that dart out of the corner? We'll just swap cars. You put your Hemi in the dart.
Wow.
So I drug the dart out.
How cool is that?
Buddy did the roll cage in it, and we painted it and put it together.
So we're talking like, so it's a Hemi, right?
Yep.
Let's take a look at this thing. So caged.
It actually needs more tubing than it has. But
Okay.
it's a street car.
Street car.
I built it.
I like the street cars, for sure. Look at that elephant sitting in there. They really sandwich them in there. Not a lot of room. Wow.
Yeah, so that's 548 cubic inches, 4.5-inch stroke.
Okay.
405 bore. These are the Edelbrock Vic Jr. heads, modern cylinder head ported to heads.
Okay.
11-to-1. So I built it to run on pump gas. I haven't got to that point with it yet. I'm kind of getting it tuned in. Solid rollers, 270, 272 at 50, 700 lift.
Okay.
So we dynoed it last year.
That's badass.
And, had a couple issues with it. I actually bought the rotating kit as balanced, and it wasn't. So it was 200 grams out of balance.
Wow.
So it shook like a bitch. But we had it on the dyno and we ran it with a single dominator, and I only got one good pull on it. It made 820.
Okay.
So
yeah, you know, we're gonna have to sit down and talk about the whole vibration thing because my car still has a little bit of a vibration. But maybe I'll stop back over here and we'll shoot the shit about some Mopar stuff. But man, really badass car. I can't wait to maybe we can put some miles on.
I need to come down in my area where we got some space. We'll go out, we'll get on it.
Let's do that. All right, thanks, man.
All right, see you.
Yep. So awesome car. You're saying this is original paint car?
Yeah, original paint.
Original paint car. I'll be damned. Wow.
Original paint, original interior.
Open the trunk on this car.
Amazing. Look at that. And good segue. I know he's got my flyer in here, but we did rent Ubley Dragway September 28th. Registration is open. So yeah, let's get it done. Let's have some fun. And let's see what we got back here. Solid, man, solid.
Still got the original spare in it.
Oh, geez, wow. How cool is that?
I think he changed the trunk back. Looks like it's getting dry
Like a real deal.
Wow, very, very cool. Man, wow. Still got some markings on the deck lid. Very cool.
Insert a card in the front.
But this is not the car you ran last time, right?
Yes, this is the car I had.
This is the car?
Yep.
Oh, okay. All right. And what did you run?
I went 11:30s there.
11:30? Only 11:30s.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Get some ice cream with the family and then go.
Yeah,
11:30s,
well,
bad for a 440.
yeah. I love the fact that you guys drive them. So super important to me. I love putting the miles on the car. And otherwise, I mean, what's the point of having it, right? But great car, man. Thanks. All right, so let's take more of a spin around here. Awesome car. Of course, I'm a Sublime Green guy, but this is a Sassy Grass, looks like. Hemi car. Beautiful. Man, look at that. So the Motor City has a lot of cars and a lot of Hemi cars. This area is definitely Mopar heavy in comparison to other areas of the United States. Cool Fury, wow. Sharp. Oh, Tree Man, this is Jim's car. 63, beautiful. This is, I believe this is Carrie's car here. I believe this is a new.
Oh, did you?
Did you just get this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so awesome car. 68 GTX convertible. Carrie gets, man, he gets some of the baddest cars. And he does a really good job on restorations. Awesome, awesome car. Good job. And then this Monaco, he's coming from downriver. Man, just awesome in black for sure. Look at this guy here. Alpine white, 70 Roadrunner. It's got a Hemi in it. For sale here. There we go. There we go. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful car. Is this your car?
Yeah, won best of show at the barn this year.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a killer show.
Thank you.
That is a really great show. Wow.
Noise sits in our backyard, you know, that's why we go.
Yeah, yeah. You know, I finally got a chance to go down there with mine, so
Okay.
it was a nice drive to go down there. But great show. It was like 800 cars or something.
Yeah.
It was like a lot.
725.
That's a
or
lot.
something
That's a
crazy,
lot. So
we
this
don't-
one-
We don't know how we got it, but anyway.
Hey, sometimes you never know. But you've had this car for a long time?
Actually, no, we've had it about 5 years.
Okay.
But it was one of the pure stock cars. Mike Colino owned it.
Wow. Originally a Hemi car?
383.
383, okay. No
We
big
have
deal.
The original everything.
Okay.
Everything we've changed, we still have original parts.
Okay.
So whoever buys
But you wanted to
it-
go a little faster, right? You can always
No,
put it back, right?
Let me tell you what I want him to do.
Okay.
I want him to buy a Hellcat engine.
Ah.
Make it pro touring. and
Oh,
keep
man.
it.
Yeah.
I told him, I don't care if we put 100 grand in it, but you got to say this is going to be it. Because I don't want to do it and do it for someone else, right?
Well, I do understand
Put
that.
air on it, everything.
A lot more people are doing the modern stuff. I
know.
get it.
But he's old school. Oh, you can't ruin the car.
Well, so I could have done the same thing, and I went old school in mine.
Oh, okay.
But great looking car. I like it in the, this is Alpine white if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, well, we were trying to figure that out.
I believe that's what it is for 1970.
Fine white. Oh,
Yeah. I mean, you can look it up. Don't quote me on that. I'm definitely not a Mopar dictionary, but I know a few things. This is Bob's car. Great looking car here. Love this Monaco though. Really, really nice. This is another guy that came from downriver here.
So you're from across?
And this is like this A990 tribute, if you will. 4-speed. And I believe it says up here by Mosier. So look at this engine. Wow.
Never seen these old wagons.
Yeah, this wagon is incredible.
Yeah. How long have you owned it?
Not me. I wish. I wish. I'd like to get groceries in this wagon. Oh, here. Oh, okay. I thought you were talking to me.
Trying to make it.
I already talked to you. But great car, man. Great, great car. Excuse me, sir. All right, so this one shows up every year. Corky car, movie car. It's a Barris custom car here. Very, very cool. And then we got Mike's car. Mike drives his cars. Mike, this is your mom's car, isn't it?
Yeah, it was my mom.
So this is Mike's mom's car. He's not afraid to change things around here. It's got some modern power in here. Looks really, really nice. Shows well. Great looking car.
Wide block. Yeah.
And then we got my car. All right, so now Tim's car here is a one-of-one white, blue interior, blue stripe, Challenger RT 446 pack, 1970. It's boy, this is just a super killer car. It's also another guy that's just not afraid to drive their car. He's got a few really, really nice cars, but this thing is just killer. All right, so we got Woody's custom over here, Duster with a 416. I think this thing's making into the 600 horsepower range here. He did everything to this car. He showed me pictures and things. Manual, custom interior. How much this thing making, Woody?
Huh?
6 something?
Well, the other motor was making 600. I don't think he's making 6. I think he's doing more like 550.
Okay. The other one was 600. Why'd you switch it
I
up?
built two of them identical, and they built it identical, but I got a different induction system.
Okay.
The other one's got the Strongbirds.
Gotcha. But you wanted to make it more drivable. I know you've been wanting to drive more.
Yep.
So that's the purpose behind that. But you got to check out this hood. Woody does a lot of fabrication and things just on his own. He likes doing it. So this car is immaculate, top to bottom. I love driving with it. And it's always cool to hang around with Woody and just enjoy the cars. Cuda Joe. Badass car here. You've seen this in some of my videos, racing around town. He races a lot, and him and Todd, they do a lot of racing. Really, really nice Fury that pulled in here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's hot under there, boy. Really, really nice car. It's also Jim's car. This one's from Kentucky. Cuda. All right, so these guys are showing up here. All right, so we're really filling the lot now. Let's check out some of the cars that rolled in here. Seen this one before. And we actually have a special guest over here. We got Claudia, Miss Direct Connection, came into the show here. She's making a walk around right now. It's my friend Ron's car, custom car right here.
Fort Myers.
Awesome. Look at this thing. Killer dart.
Yeah, there's what I got. That Fifth Avenue like that one there, that white.
Oh yeah. Got the cars into the street now. Packing them in. All right, awesome Duster over here. Check these guys out. Huh. Wow.
Oh yeah. Look at her knockout body. You got a knockout body.
All right, so we're gonna get my friend Mark's car here. What's up, Jim? Good, man. All right, so Mark's got a really great car here. Worked for Chrysler many, many years as a, you were actually a dyno operator, weren't you?
Yes, sir.
So dyno operator, 30 years at Chrysler.
Yep.
And how long have you had this car?
Since 2000.
Since 2000.
Back.
Okay, that's what I thought. I knew you bought it back at some point. Very, very cool. We got Bob in there.
Hey,
How you doing? Good, good. Awesome,
Mopars
man.
rule Woodward.
Definitely on Wednesday, right? Oh my God.
They give us one day.
Yeah. Well, like I was saying, you know, we're kind of Mopar heavy in this area.
Yeah.
When I go to other parts of the country, it's really not.
Right.
It's
true, yeah.
Go down to Myrtle Beach.
yeah. No.
There's a few.
Yeah, a few, but not. Yeah, it's like I was in Kentucky, Tennessee. That's Chevy country. You know what I mean? Like, it's just crazy. But great, great car. Maybe one day we'll do an interview about it. Sounds good. All right, see ya. And then we got Heather's car from Mopar Collector's Guide here. I'm sure my wife likes this one hot, 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 hot. All right, let's go over here. Boy, got the spider wheels on this guy, on the C body here. Newport. So it looks like we got Jamie Sikora coming in here. These guys have a lot of, at least since I've known them, Hemi cars and really, really badass restorations and race cars. So super cool. This Roadrunner, wow. Look at this thing. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's take a little walk here. Badass, badass. Hemi Roadrunner. Look at these, the big boys rolling in here, boy. Listen to that, sounds good. Killer. Wow. A little bit of an antifreeze leak on that one. This is when the Hemi cars start rolling in here, boys. Oh yeah. Look at that. Very, very cool. Oh yeah, I've seen this guy before. Listen to that, wow. Killer. All right. See, got Ryan rolling in with his Valiant. We're gonna be racing this one, Scamp versus the Valiant. Well, they're both Valiants, but I'll be racing this car. He should beat me. What's up, buddy? A little bit of a beefed up 340 in that one. He should probably beat me by a second if I drive the Scamp. This car is really cool, 66. Center console goes all the way back. Very cool. Wow. I can't believe the cars that we had today. And there's another, the A12 car back here, which I actually need to talk with Mark. Wow. Got another Dart GT here. Very, very cool. Let's take a little spin by this one. Sounded tough, man. 4-speed too. Nice. Giddix. Very, very nice car. Sharp. Here's the A12 from the other night. Let's take a walk over here to the other lot without getting hit by a car. All right, so I would personally like to thank Mancini Racing for donating, right? And taking care of Twisted Axle Car Club and the Mopar community out here at the Donut Cutter. It was very nice of them to show up with all the different stuff that they did. We had stickers and shirts and just awesome time. Dave Radcliffe's always generous and giving back to his car guys. Wow, that's cool. Fury 3. And then we got a 66 over here. Look at this. Coronet 440. Nice color. Yep, straight back. Yep, plenty of room. Nobody coming. Cut it. Yep. Oh yeah, Woodward's starting to heat up for sure. Wednesday nights. It's only gonna get more jam-packed from here. Cool looking truck over there. People are gonna start rolling out. Do it. You better do it. Jesus. Man, these guys. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully you're not getting dragged to these types of things, or you're...
I got a car too.
Oh, do you? What do you got?
I got a 69 and a half Super B.
Get out.
No.
What color?
It was black with the gold stripe along the bottom. It's been parked since '92.
So it's a black one? A real
Original Hemi orange. Post.
Hemi orange.
Volume shift. Bench seat. Striped elite. One of 123.
A12,
Oh.
69 and a half.
And the code.
So what's the deal? How come, are you working on it or?
It's
Okay.
slowly.
Okay, all right, all right.
He took the motor out of my car, put it in this back in
Okay.
the 90s to race somebody because my motor was faster than his at the time.
Wow.
And it
Yeah.
just, you know, it's like, you know what, it's only going up in value, just let it sit.
Yeah, but I think it's time we need to start driving that car, you know what I mean?
Kinda, like,
Wow. Now that's cool. You know, it's been sitting for so long, the cars are still out there. And man, all
actually,
these.
there's somebody, we used to street race back in the 80s,
Okay.
early 90s.
Yeah.
And there's a kid that him and his brother were probably 4, 5-ish
Okay.
at the time.
Uh-huh.
We're friends with them. Our paths crossed years ago.
Okay.
Now they're adults and got cars and stuff.
Wow.
And the one wants the car. It's
Wow.
like, I remember when you guys used to drive it all the time and we'd go racing and
How
stuff.
cool
I
is that?
want that car.
Oh my gosh, you gotta get it back on the road.
You're behind Antoinette. I said you got next.
Okay, well, next time I see you, I expect an update or something, okay? All right,
Get your dust over on this board.
yeah, move the box from the, oh man, I know, I have a 69 GTX, which is like a shelf, and it just has boxes on it. I mean, at least it's not in the rain. All right, I'll talk with you, thanks. All right, so several of us got a bunch of the Twisted Axle guys together, and we started talking about a bunch of the different cars that were here. And of course, there's a ton of Hemi cars here, and every car is beautiful. There's a lot of cool stuff. And started talking to some of the owners of some of the cars, and Mopar Collector's Guide came to me and said, hey, we have a tin sign that we're gonna donate, and you go ahead and pick your favorite. And like I said, I was going around talking to people and things, and this gentleman over here named Nevin, he got this Dart GTS from his dad. His dad always wanted to put a Hemi into it, and they never got around to it. The father actually passed, but he actually did put the Hemi in the car. He's never planning on getting rid of the car. Very cool. And so I really like this story. I really like his car. And so we gave the Mopar Collector's Guide tin to him. So congratulations to Nevin, and thank you for bringing the car up. And man, badass car, awesome, keep driving it, and we look forward to seeing more. So let's go check out some more cars. Another Hemi car. Totally insane. Totally off the hook. More cars this year than any other year. Sunroof car. It's original sunroof car? Or did you put it in? You put it in? Still cool. 4-speed. Okay. Okay. Hell yeah. You drive the shit out of it? As long as you drive it, man, enjoy it. It's awesome. Very nice. Okay. Nice. Nice car. Very cool. This guy's got a pretty fat tire on here. It's my neighbor's car here. This is nice. Wow, look at this Fury. Awesome Demon. Wow. So this is the first time that we've ever had cars on the other side of the street over here. This lot's pretty packed. It does have quite a few daily drivers and things, but total chaos. Just tons of awesome Mopars. This truck, of course, always awesome. I see this Wildcat over here, Buick Wildcat. This is sharp, very sharp. Your car? I saw this one rolling by. Sounds tough. Look at that. Okay. Motor plate on the front, Victor. That's a nice car for sure. Wow. There's Viper over here. Look at this guy. I see Curtis over here chowing down. How you doing, bud? 70 Challenger, looking real good. Wow. Look at these guys. We got Chris's car over here. Chris, right?
Yep.
Chris's car over here. We got Jeff rolling in right here. Got Jeff Gale's Roadrunner. Awesome Ram Charger, I love that. This is freaking cool. Look at this Dodge. 62. Looks like my buddy Rick showed up somewhere. This cool car. Look at this. Wow. Damn. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful car. Man. Got the big boys over here for sure. 4-speed. Nice Sport Fury. Look at this. Wow. Check, check. This is crazy. Whoa.
That's the plan? We're going to try to go up this way.
You leaving?
No, this lady's trying to get out and the guy don't want to move his car.
No, he wants to move it. There's more cars back there.
No.
Back up. That's all.
Oh.
All I gotta do is back out.
Just taking a break?
Yeah.
Okay, right on. All right, very good. Just walking.
Thanks for the pizza. I got these.
Good.
Thank you.
I wasn't sure. I probably could have ordered 10 more, you know?
No, I didn't know where.
All right. Craziness. Love this car right here, boy. Wow. Hemi GTX convertible. Wow, 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 wow. What's happening, man? We even got a Merc over here in front. Look at this 300, beautiful 300. And then over here we got the Street Rodder King over here. If you see his YouTube channel and also what was it, Street Rodder Classics on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe and like his page. He posts a lot of content from the Metro Detroit area and a really good resource for me, also my friends. So make sure you give his page a like and appreciate it. Thanks. What's up, bud?
Get here at noon to get that stuff?
Yeah, pretty much 12:30.
I love your videos. Oh, and I love that you like trains too, because I'm a big train.
Oh man. I see they left the keys in there for me. Then we got a couple guys back here. This is where the Hemi guys rolled in. Look at that. Got my friend Opie right there.
See you guys.
Look at this Sport Fury, man. Oh yeah. That manual. For sale too. So that's the number there.
That's the pine light.
It's the perfect time right now.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh my God. Mopar heaven. Out on Woodward. Look at this. Very nice. And we're all the way into this other parking lot here. Oh yeah, get this. 300 over there. Curtis's AAR. Got a 69 Barracuda. Look at these guys. Really, really nice. All right, Ryan's way back here. Killer car. This is the one that, see this one a lot, Metro Detroit, at a lot of different shows. Jamie's car, very, very cool. Wow, this thing is nice. Really, really nice. Look at that. Super awesome to see all the Hemi cars and Max Wedge cars. Just killers like Mopar having in here. I believe this is the most packed we've ever had this lot. Tons of people out here today. We got some pizza coming on out here, getting delivered. I ordered that for the group. And then here's my friend here that owns the Corky car. Very, very cool. Wow. I would say this is one of my favorites here of this show. Hi. Very, very cool. So Brian and Claudia came in this RT Challenger. We got a Godfather Racing built engine here, probably. At least the valve covers say that. 1970. Sublime. One of my favorite colors, of course. You didn't have to go to work. You didn't have to go to work. Seriously, though.
I know. This is why I have fun doing this.
Okay. Do you mind if we take a video?
Yeah.
Walk around. I'll follow you. All right. So this is our special guest here, Claudia Pasalacqua, right?
Yeah, Claudia
Okay.
Abel.
Yeah, Claudia Abel Pasalacqua. Brought Brian with her.
Yeah.
Awesome. And welcome. This is the donut cutter.
I know. This is a big deal, I heard.
It's a huge deal. Huge deal. So I appreciate you coming out. Man, how did you even get involved in all the Mopars and all the shows? And you've been doing it forever, right? So direct connection, 1984.
Yes.
Yeah, wow.
Good memory.
Yeah.
That's where this started anyways, but
What,
here we
like-
are in the Motor City. If you're,
Oh
I
my
used
God.
to work with the agencies. I'm an actress and model, and automotive is what we did. To
Okay.
the commercial, industrial.
I like,
you know, the auto show, 180 days out of the year from 1979 to 2007.
Wow.
Yep.
I like you posted some of your pictures. I think you were still in high school or whatever with like the auto body class, and you were still posing with cars back then, right?
Yes. Yes. Well, they invited
It's like-
me to do the calendar for them that year, Lakeview High School.
Oh, okay.
I graduated in '79, and I think that was 1983. I think that was 1983.
Okay, so that's where you went to high school, eh?
Yes.
Always been in this area?
Yes.
Wow.
Yep.
That's cool. Oh yeah, very, very good. Yeah, but I'll let you continue doing what you're doing, but yeah, I'd like to sit down one time and maybe we could just chat a little bit more.
I would love
Maybe
that.
talk a little bit about you, you know? I know you go to all these shows and things and you take pictures with everybody and all that, and I see you all over the place, but I don't know, anybody ever do an interview with you? Like,
I've had a few.
okay, all right.
But let's do it.
That would be good, I think.
would love that.
Okay, I appreciate it. But yeah, do your thing, we'll catch up. And then I have the Sublime Green Super B70 up there. So maybe we can get together in a little.
I match.
Oh, yeah, I know. Do you want to do it now? We can.
Let's do it.
All right.
I usually don't. I got that black there.
So,
My job. My
yeah, this is your job, kind
do
of.
my
Yeah.
job and I'll walk my
Oh my gosh, more cars than I've seen in this lot ever. I've been coming here for a long time. Wow, amazing, amazing. Great time, great weather, great people. I gotta get this one. Huh. Right now? Okay. Nice car, man. Take it easy. That thing is wicked, man.
Your car, bro.
Oh, shit. Right. Nice car, man. I see these guys on Harper all the time.
Yeah.
This guy right here.
That thing needs a blower, bro.
Well, he had it super pro-charged. 3-time winner of Roadkill. Nice.
Really?
Yeah. See, man. Take it easy, dude. All right. Oh, yeah. See you, Tony. Taking off? Okay.
Yeah.
This is a hell of a show.
Oh, yeah. Foot slipped. Really, really nice. Really nicely restored GTX, for sure. Wow. All right, so absolutely killer evening. Lots of Mopars, friends and family getting together. Man, oh my God. So really, really cool. Some of the best cars. Tons of Hemi cars today. Super pumped. Great, great time. And I see Tim's trying to hide from me over here. But yeah, good time. Good people. This car is cool. I think these guys are with Godfather Racing. And then, yeah. So hopefully we get to put some miles on. We're gonna put some miles on tonight and we'll have a good old time. Woodward's heating up. It's, man, it's gonna be a badass evening for sure. The weather's perfect too. So here we go. Car. There we go. Oh, listen to that. All right. Bad to the bone.
That sounds good. You can drive down. Take it easy. Totally wild evening of Mopar madness. There were some really killer Mopars tonight. I believe we had 108 cars was the total that I got from a friend. More than we've ever had. I mean, 2 parking lots over. Really crazy. Good time. I want to thank all the people that came out. I want to thank Mancini Racing and Dave Radcliffe for bringing the goods and you know, giving out shirts and swag and stuff and just being here and being a part of the fun. I want to thank Heather from Mopar Collector's Guide for giving out the tin sign. I think that was really great. She gave out magazines and things like that. So super good time. I appreciate you guys very much. And man, well, there goes my friends. The Charger from the other night. All right, so hey, subscribe, it helps me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you guys later. Let's go drive a little bit.